Hello guys, today I will show you how to change default scanner settings in Windows Server 2016. First click window icon. Go to the settings. Click devices. Click your scanner, open print queue. Go to the scanner properties, and now you can, by clicking preferences, change default settings. Thank you very much for watching this video, like, subscribe and comment this channel.